Do you want to know how to earn $15 every 10 minutes with only one website? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to be taking you through the process of using only one website to make $15 every 10 minutes. We know that you guys love it when we make these types of videos, and that's exactly why we're bringing this one to you. This job won't even take you more than 10 minutes to do. It's literally that quick and easy. And we know that all of you are about the easy breezy lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be walking you through the whole entire process step by step, so make sure that you pay close attention and follow along closely. This method is perfect for beginners, for those people who are looking for ways to start making money online in the easiest way possible. This video or this method is exactly what you need to get you started. Our method for today is 100% free. You don't need to invest any money or make any cash advancements, and it's available in some or most of the countries in the world. So make sure that you watch everything and then let us know if it works for you or not. Now, today's method won't require you to have any experience or skills whatsoever. Even a 5-year-old can literally do this. But don't make a 5-year-old do this. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip any part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The website that we're going to be using for today is called miniurl.io. This is how the website looks like as soon as you can see it. Shorten URLs and earn money. The way to start is first, you need to create an account. Next, you shorten your link. And lastly, you earn money. 3 easy steps that you need to follow for you to immediately start earning. Why join MiniURL? What is MiniURL? MiniURL is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which, apart from being free, you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. How and how much do I earn? How can you start making money with MiniURL? It's just 3 steps. Create an account, create a link, and post it. For every visit, you earn money. It's just that easy. There's even a 20% referral bonus. The MiniURL referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service and to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 20% of their earnings for life, okay? For life. There's even a featured administration panel, a low minimum payout. You're required to earn only $5 before you will get paid, so you don't even need to make $10. If you have $5, you can right away cash that out. You don't have to wait, or you don't need to make any much more money than that if all you need is $5. Now we can pay all users via their PayPal, highest rates, and make the most out of your traffic with our always increasing rates. So those were just a few reasons on why you should take part in this website or this method for today. For those new to our channel, we want to know in the comments down below what your preferred payment method is, if the one you wanted wasn't a part of the choices, which were PayPal today, so that we can make more videos that will be more useful and available to you. Now let's continue. This website has had over 11 million clicks 915,000 URLs, and over 53,000 registered users. Now, isn't that insane? Moving on, we want you to go on Google and then search on how to ride a bike as an example. And then let's click on WikiHow's results, since WikiHow has instructions all in text. Now what you want to do is take this website's URL, just copy it, and then go back to mini URL and paste it over here. Hit enter on that as soon as you've pasted the link, and then now you have your own personal short link. We're gonna show you how you can make money with this modified link. Now we want you to copy your shortened link and then paste it and see where it redirects you. And as you can see, it doesn't take you straight to the WikiHow website. Instead, it takes you to this. So more information on how to earn money through miniurl.io. And you may be a little bit confused, but don't worry about it because we're far from done. So just make sure that you pay attention. But ultimately, the reason for this is because we need to confirm that we aren't a robot, so they want us to click on this box right here, but we're actually going to the website of the link. Now basically what's going to happen is that you're going to be earning from this through advertising. So advertisers obviously pay for ads to be clicked, so that's basically how URL shorteners work, and that's how mini URL is going to pay you. So if people click on your link, they won't be brought straight to the website, they're gonna be brought to some advertisements and all that, and when they watch through those ads, you earn from that. And that's really just the basic concept of URL shorteners in general, but most of them have different strategies, and this is just one of those strategies. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now how are you going to advertise these links? How will people click on them and then you get paid? Let's show you the publisher rates first so we can show you how much you can get paid. So in the United States, you'll get paid $2.20 for every 1,000 views. So if you get 7,000 and 8,000 views in 10 or 15 minutes, you're making at least $15 in 10 or 15 minutes. And now we're going to show you how you can actually do that. Now we want you to go on youtube.com and go ahead and click on Explore, and then click on Trending. So all of these videos are getting a ton of views, and that's precisely why they're trending. Now we want you to do is to find a video where we can comment our link on so that people can click on it. So how about let's look up the iPhone 13, since we feel like that would be something a lot of people are looking up currently, especially the nearing of the Apple event. And there are also people looking up for better videos on the iPhone 13 rumors or reviews or stuff like that. So these are the heated topics right now, and that's exactly what we're trying to get. So let's click on this video. After looking that up, let's click on this video. iPhone 13, the end of Android by the Apple Circle. That's the video. And now what we want you to do is open up google.com and then look up what to look out for iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 rumors. It's more simple. So let's do iPhone 13 rumors. Now as you can see, we have this. Okay, so let's grab this link, then go on mini URL and paste it on mini URL to shorten the link like so. Copy that link and go back to our chosen YouTube video, and then we can start creating our comment. So go on the comment section and maybe type like good review. So that's your opinion, but you're not going to believe these secret rumors that just came out from Apple. And then you insert your link. So like click the link here. So make sure it's really clickbaity. That's the whole point of it all, so that people will click. And if you get 1,000 clicks and probably even more, since people are going to want to know what is really up, you can probably get around 10,000 clicks or even more, which are like 10,000 views, and that's about $22, which is huge to get in a day and only on one video. Now, you can do this unlimitedly. You can do this on multiple videos, multiple different links. Just make sure that you follow the strategy that we taught you in order to get people to click on your link and in order for you to earn. Now the trick is to find the perfect video, of course, no matter how many videos there are, as well as make your comment as clickbait as possible. And that's basically it. So make sure that you try this method out so that you can know for yourself how effective this method is, and we are telling you that it is effective. So make sure that you're consistent with it so that you can continuously earn, and make sure that you grow and branch out. Don't only do it on one video, do it on 5 videos if you can. If you can't, do it on 3, because those are still multiple streams of income. And that's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.